portability and versatility are in our DNA. The portable flat-top grill embodies just that. It's designed for portability and storability in mind. Your next adventure will never be the same. Featuring collapsible legs, folding shelves, and 4 powerful yet reliable burners. A large pre-seasoned removable griddle for your outdoor breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Wherever the road ends, the adventure begins with the portable flat-top grill.
Royal Gourmet. Light up your story.
Are you looking for an energetic grill expert to make the best barbecues? Well, you are only a few minutes away from discovering and enjoying it. The Royal Gourmet GD401 Premium 4-burner outdoor gas grill and griddle offers a dual cooking surface and grill with versatile flat griddle. Grill up your favorites with its large opening cooking surface with a total of 580 square inches and 4 stainless steel burners, allowing you to set 4 different cooking zones and put out a total of 48,000 BTUs. Enjoy the electronic ignition with the simple push of a button. Flame Tamer distributes heat evenly, protects food from direct fire and channels of oil dripping. Flat Griddle transfers heat fast and evenly, baking your food. The cast iron grate creates great sear marks, giving your food a lovely juicy flavor. Folding side tables are equipped with a bottle opener and accommodates multiple cooking utensils, great for everyday or large gatherings. At the front of the cart, a towel rack with hooks provides convenience for hanging grill tools. With built-in grease channel and removable drip cup, the GD401 allows for easy cleanup at the end of each use. Your LP tank will be safely secured with the tank hook and base. Thanks to the 4-inch strength, rolling casters and brake system, moving the combo is just a breeze. Its solid cart legs are easy to fold down for transport within just 15 minutes. Spend more time enjoying the outdoors with the powerful, portable, and versatile GD401 Premium 4-burner outdoor gas grill and griddle from Royal Gourmet.
Thank you for purchasing the Blackstone 36-inch griddle cooking station. Assembling your griddle is very easy and should only take you a few minutes. Start by removing the package with the bolts and hardware and the box with the side handle and drip cup in it. Have someone help you remove the griddle body and the griddle top. Lay the griddle body on its back and extend the legs. Use the 2 long thumb screws to attach the bottom tray to the griddle legs. Installing the bottom tray while the griddle is on its back will ensure the legs don't collapse on you during installation. Now use 4 bolts and nuts to install the propane tank hanger. Use 2 bolts and nuts for the top hanger and 2 bolts and nuts for the lower piece as well. Use a wrench to tighten all the bolts. While the griddle is still on its back, use the short thumb screws to install the side trays. Go ahead and lift the griddle upright. Now use the 4 screws and flange nuts to install the side handle. Use a Phillips screwdriver and wrench to tighten them. Install the 4 control knobs by simply pushing them in place. The arrow should be facing up in the off position. Install a AA battery and screw in the ignition button over it. Have someone help you lift the griddle top onto the griddle body. Make sure the alignment pegs are properly seated in the griddle body. Hang the drip cup holder and drip cup on the side of the griddle top. Your Blackstone griddle is now assembled. Before cooking on your griddle, please follow the seasoning instructions found on our website at blackstoneproducts.com.